Have you ever wondered what to do if your cryptocurrency is hacked? Well, you're not alone. Cryptocurrency hacks are becoming increasingly common, and if you're a crypto investor or enthusiast, knowing how to recover and protect your digital assets is crucial. In this video, we'll show you exactly what to do if your crypto is hacked and how to prevent it from happening again. Let's dive in. First things first. How do crypto hacks happen? Imagine this. You're checking your email and bam! There's a message from your crypto exchange about suspicious activity. You click the link without thinking twice and boom, your account is compromised. That's phishing, one of the most common ways hackers target crypto investors. Hackers are getting more sophisticated, finding ways to exploit vulnerabilities in exchanges and wallets, even compromising private keys. If you're an active trader or investor, constantly moving your crypto around, you're a prime target. If you suspect your crypto has been hacked, there are steps you can take to mitigate the damage and potentially recover your funds. So, let's dive into what you need to do immediately if you think you've been hacked. Alright, step 1. We gotta lock down your accounts like Fort Knox. Change your passwords immediately and enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on everything. Seriously, if you're not using 2FA, it's like leaving your front door wide open with a sign that says, "Come on in, hackers." Remember, a strong password is your first line of defense. I'm talking a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. The whole shebang. Make it so complicated that even you have to write it down somewhere safe. Just kidding, maybe. Okay, step 2. Time to sound the alarm. If your crypto was stolen from an exchange, contact their support team ASAP. Think of it this way, the exchange is like the bank where you keep your crypto. If someone robbed your bank, you wouldn't just sit there, you'd be on the phone with the bank manager immediately. Some exchanges have security measures to freeze your funds if they detect suspicious activity. The sooner you act, the better your chances of recovery. Be prepared to provide proof of the hack like screenshots of suspicious activity or transaction IDs. The more information you can provide, the better. Step 3. This is where things get serious. It's time to get the authorities involved. Cryptocurrency crime is becoming a bigger problem, and the authorities are starting to take it seriously. Reporting these incidents is crucial in the fight against cybercrime. If nobody reports these hacks, the authorities won't have the data they need to track down the criminals and prevent future attacks. Report the hack to your local cybercrime unit or the relevant authorities in your country. Keep detailed records of all your communications and any suspicious transactions. Alright, step 4. Time for a little introspection. Now that you've taken the necessary steps to mitigate the damage, it's time to figure out how this whole mess happened in the first place. Review all your wallets and addresses for any unauthorized transactions. Next, it's time for a full-blown security audit. Identify any potential weaknesses in your digital life. Do you have weak two-factor authentication settings? Are you using the same password for multiple accounts? These are all things that could have made you vulnerable to an attack. Alright, let's talk prevention because once you've been hacked, you don't want it happening again. First things first, if you're serious about keeping your crypto safe, you need to get yourself a hardware wallet. A hardware wallet is like having a Fort Knox level vault for your digital assets. Be smart about phishing scams. Never click on a link in an email or message that seems even remotely suspicious. If you get an email from your exchange asking you to update your password or verify your account, go directly to their website instead of clicking the link in the email. Never, ever share your private keys with anyone. Those keys are like the keys to your crypto kingdom. Keep them close and keep them safe. So there you have it, folks. Everything you need to know to protect yourself from crypto hackers and keep your digital assets safe and sound. Dealing with a crypto hack can be a nightmare, but by following the tips and tricks I've shared in this video, you can drastically reduce your chances of getting hacked and increase your chances of recovering your funds if the worst does happen. So, what are you waiting for? Go forth and secure your crypto, and while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more expert crypto tips. See you in the next video. Look, I've seen it all when it comes to personal finance, and let me tell you, getting hacked is not something you want to experience. But the good news is that by following the steps outlined in this video, you can dramatically reduce your risk and protect your hard-earned crypto. Staying safe in the crypto world is like investing in any other asset class. You gotta do your research, take precautions, and stay informed. So stay vigilant, stay safe, and keep those crypto gains coming.